Can you rent out your apartment for a few days or a few weeks in New York City? Watch this video for the answer, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss my other real estate videos. Hi, I'm Phil, the founder of Frele, the free and honest rental marketplace where you could find your next home.
Hi, and I'm Lidia Lander, a real estate broker and the CEO of Lander Real Estate.
This rental tip comes to you from the Flatiron District. When New Yorkers travel for a couple of days or a couple of weeks, they often consider renting out their apartment. But this is usually illegal, the fines are steep, and they could be evicted. Here's why.
First, it violates the multiple dwelling law, which makes it illegal for you to sublet your apartment for less than 30 days if you're building off 3 units or more and you're not present.
Second, it violates most lease agreements made between the tenant and the landlord.
However, there are a couple of rare situations where subletting your apartment for less than 30 days is allowed, assuming you have your landlord's permission.
The first situation that's allowed is if the building has 3 or less units, which is usually in a townhouse or a brownstone.
Another situation when that is allowed is if you're hosting your guests and you're actually present during their stay.
In sum, regardless of what you may hear, it's mostly illegal for you to rent out your place for less than 30 days in New York City. For more on this and other New York City apartment tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or go to frele.com/learn. And remember, you can always find your next home on frele.com.